We're so back. We're so freaking back, y'all. The cow. We even have our cow back. Fantastic. Yeah. Why don't you? Yeah, why not open in that monitor Discord where everyone can see you? No, god damn it. So one of the didn't even do my vocal warm-ups today. Irish wristwatch. Irish wristwatch. Irish wristwatch. Irish wristwatch. Irish wristwatch. Irish wristwatch. This particularly rapid, unintelligible pattern isn't generally heard, and if it is, it doesn't matter. This particularly rapid, unintelligible pattern isn't generally heard, and if it isn't, it doesn't matter, y'all. It just straight up doesn't matter. Wait, no, another one. I know a Spanish one. Tres tristes tigres comen trigo en un trigal. Hey, where's the cow? Okay. First going live notification has been posted. Am I even logged in to all of my services here that I could post? Nope, not logged into anything. Whoa, notifications. People like my post about becoming slime. The other day I was thinking, but we were thinking, I don't know if it was specifically my thought, but we were like, it'd be kind of cool to be slime. Because when you're slime, you're incorporeal. Well, no, you are corporeal, but your body is like, it can break up and reform if necessary, so you can avoid like melee damage by just splitting apart if you were about to get hit. And then some slimes, see, if we were a slime, we would be the kind of slime where we can split into multiple parts that can act independently, but then they can come back together and be like, haha, we're one organism that can act as many, or we're many organisms that can act as one, and they're both equally valid. And so we could be that kind of slime. It's like a gray slime type of scenario even. In the far future, when we've fully transitioned to like a perfect machine body, we could then further on transition to like things. We could transition to having stuff. How do I get the alt text? I don't get the alt text. I have to rewrite it. We could become gray goo, right? Why not? Who doesn't love gray goo? Well, gray goo explicitly makes other things gray goo, so we could just be, you know, we're not an aggressive assimilating swarm. We're just like a swarm that's mostly chill. Also, maybe instead of being gray, we'd be a prettier color. We'd change colors. Smiling in front of criminal status. Slime mouse. Yeah, if it was in I think we decided also that if we were in special operations unit Foxhound, we would be slime mouse, and we'd be some sort of, I don't know, we'd have some sort of slime based ability, I guess. No, we're like a little thief that can like squeeze into tiny spaces, and it like, people say that we're very slippery, but we don't actually have any slime. Well, we have some slime. Funny how there are websites where I can post a link, and then there are websites where I need a picture to be the link because of bullshit. Bullshit. This is bullshit. Okay. Fine, a little bit. Where's my box? That's funny. It was good proxy to Ashlyn because the link ended with an ampersand. Well, Ashlyn can do our stream announcements. Oh, Ashlyn's not the one streaming. Oh no. Alright. So that only took forever. Oh no, I'm still... Oh no, I still have that crazy face on. Okay, hold on. Boom. Now I'm back to normal. Listen, I was practicing the other day. I was practicing that thing where you like open your mouth real wide to scare / flirt with people, and it must have broken up something. All right. Why is there an explorer here? Did that ruin everything, or did that preserve everything? I think that preserves everything. Alright, so this should keep stuff from popping on in the wrong window. So, part of the reason why the stream took forever to set up today is the same reason why there wasn't a stream last Friday, which is we recently upgraded our workspace. Now we have a desk, and we have Bluetooth for our headset, which is kind of how I ended up screwing up the sound earlier, because when I was messing with the Bluetooth and everything freaked out. And we have 2 monitors now, which lets me do things like move things. I can like capture the whole monitor, and I can just move things out of the way, and I can like put things in front. And we can like do things like read docs. Where's the JSON docs we were looking at the other day? Jason. My buddy Jason. Jason's not here. Bye-bye, Jason. But like yeah, like if we're testing, we no longer need to like make sure that things are in like a very specific part of the screen, because they can just be anywhere on the screen and you'll be able to see them. If I can see it on my screen, you can see it on yours. I think that'll prevent some embarrassing mistakes we've made in the past. Alright, how's everyone feeling? Is everyone feeling good? Is everyone having a good Tuesday? Is everyone eating their vegetables? That's my big thing now. I'm all about eating vegetables. Bad? No, yes. I'm sorry that you're feeling bad. It's good that you've been eating your vegetables. Don't remember what the middle question was. This already does that. Oh. Oh, change if statement to be prettier. I believe this should just be or message content starts with, and then here we can put message.get contact. No. Sell. Don't get. Refix. Dude. Oh yeah, look, we just started. Already we're making great progress. We fixed the to-do. Don't know if it works. I hope so. We can find out. Error. Uh-oh. That sucks. I don't know. I don't. Yo, what's up, Wordbug? Indeed. Oh, yes. Thank you. Welcome to the stream. The real question is, why are the secrets not working anymore? Why do they seem to break every time? The funny thing is, the secret, so stomping might be wrong. Holy, once again, almost had a secrets leak on stream. Days without an OPSEC incident on stream. The counter doesn't need to be reset because what did I even write last time? Because this time I was able to stop. That doesn't help me. I should have put the date. They didn't show secrets on stream this time. Be proud of me. Come over here. Like the other Faebot's still working, right? Yeah. Well, I maybe just need to get a new token. Get a new token every time. It's not like they cost me anything. Completely free tokens. If you're hanging out, remember to like and follow the stream. You can follow the stream by clicking on the little heart, and you can like the stream by holding it in your heart. Yay, thanks for the follow. Sweet. Alright. Brand new secrets. Get you back here. Be in business. Odd get free fix missing one required positional argument message. And it's a positional argument, so it was message. Maybe I should read the docs. There's no way that's gonna work. I like this song, whatever it is. Know where I wanted to go. But I could have sworn I used get prefix effectively one time. Seiken Densetsu. Now you're just screwing with me. Maybe it's just this. Our script must be stir or a tuple of stir, not coroutine. But the thing is, I want to ignore every message with get prefix. See, remember when I said we were having great velocity? Not so much. That's alright. Let's try to figure something. Using our favorite tool, the Python debugger, which only has one method. The only method that you need. Right, so now I have a message object. If I do self.get prefix message was never awaited. Oh, that's gonna cause problems. Can I have a list? Can I just make a list of Faebot's prefixes? Didn't I already do that? Like maybe right here? Can I just do... Oh, I see. This is so silly. This is not the thing that I came here to work on today. This is the thing that I'm self-nerd sniping with. And it is honestly so silly. So when we started today, what did it look like? Well, we have the to-do there, so, you know, we'll do it. The main thing we came here to do is we wanted to start logging Faebot messages as a JSON object as part of the implementing better prompting. So to that end, I was just doing things to sort of get myself more familiarized with working with JSON in Python, because I've done it once or twice. I haven't done it enough that it's become second nature to me. So I could have sworn I was following some sort of JSON tutorial. But I don't remember. It was important things to remember where JSON dumps and JSON load. My friend Jason, great guy, and he runs this like moving service, right? It's kind of a hybrid moving and cleanup service where he will come to your house, he will load up all your furniture and trash, and he will then selectively unload your furniture in your house and dump your trash in the dumpster. And oh boy, let me tell you, people have been mad when they mess those up. People will mislabel their data or accidentally ask JSON to dump something when they want him to load something. And Jason will just do it. Jason's like, I don't know what's trash. One person's trash is another person's treasure. So he just goes and he just dumps your furniture in the garbage. And it's terrible reviews on Yelp. So if you want to help my friend Jason out, please go on Yelp and rate his business for 5 stars. It's called Jason Dumps, Jason Loads. Beautiful. So we already have this. We had made a function called permalog that just writes a log message to a file, and basically it really should be as simple as don't write it to a text file, make a JSON object, make a dictionary, and then crap, do I dump it or do I load it? Oh no. Let's make the dictionary. The point is, we've been doing, right? Like here we're doing a permalog, right? And instead of doing a permalog, we could just say log. And it should equals a dictionary. And it should have all the stuff that we were logging before. So it should say fuck, dude, how do you JSON shit? It should be something like message please love JSON. Doing his best. Oh my god, Jams, thank you for clipping my short stand-up bit about JSON. I'm here all day, folks. Well, not really all day. I'm here for like another hour and a half at most. So what I want is I want to start with a message ID, which will just be F string, it's just message ID. Oh my god, the messages have IDs. Let's go find out. And this only logs it's only supposed to log Faebot's messages, but it does do it in 2 parts. And it does it before sending the message. So as you see, the message ID in this case wouldn't be the ID of Faebot's message, but rather of the message that prompted Faebot to send the message that they sent. Which honestly makes me think we should not, for now, instead of doing message ID, let's just start right off with timestamp. Alright. Timestamp. Current time, current day. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do all of that logging at the end after Faebot has already successfully generated a message. So we log the timestamp, we log the channel, we log the channel, time, parameters, and content. Dude, I swear, I bet there's a bet to get like, well, yeah, because this is just an await. This is just an await, and so it's even waiting for it to succeed, right? So you can just do it be the last thing you do, and I bet you could even get that message. You could even get the message that Faebot just sent and then log it, and that would be more elegant, and it would also be a pain in the ass. I'll do that in a second. For now, I need message. Need this message. With message.content. Content. And then finally, after using a comma, you can do params, nest a second dictionary inside the params, as a comma. The second dictionary will have if I generate params as an object, as a dictionary already, I am so smart. I am not as smart as I thought I was. I can just... This is GoldenEye? Oh, that's great. It'll just be like params. It's not message to the content. Again, that's the message that triggered Faebot, not the message that Faebot is sending. Oh, Cheeto. Alright. God, the music in that game was godly. Godly, I tell you. No such file or directory. Is it not? Already there. Can't open file. Black is just not working anymore. Home fairy dead code Faebot Twitch black. Oh, it's because it's not Python black, it's just black, right? Boop. Boop. First, if it would be Python and black, not just Python black. So then I can do JSON self.json log. JSON log takes a dictionary. And then, so here's the thing. If I open a file called permalog.json with mode A, it should append new messages to that file. If everything goes according to plan. Let's try it. Not the correct command. And not the correct command. Hello, Faebot. How are you today? Because I'm so smart, I'm running this test in such a way that, oh, well. I'm doing a fantastic job as usual. The streams are always so much fun to watch and chat with. What brings you here today? We're testing your stuff, Faebot. Ooh, you're testing my stuff. And so the question, oh. Already an error. What could have happened here? That log JSON, nothing in it. In general response, self JSON to log, JSON log, argument must be string, not dict. I need JSON dumps. To log equals JSON dumps. Don't even have JSON here. I'm gonna call my friend Jason on my telephone. Hey Jason, come here. I need to dump something. Yeah, come here. Boom. Jason. 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 Jason, my friend. Yeah. Where did I put it? JSON dumps. Object any. This should be log message. And then we can write log. Did I JSON load? I think it's dump s because the s is not because. Yeah, I wonder if JSON has an official mascot. It's not the JSON library has like 4 methods that are called load, load s, dump, and dump s, and it sounds like it's load, loads, dump, dumps, and so you're like, oh, it's conjugating, but no, the s stands for string. Faebot, say something to my friend Jason. Oh my golf balls, Jason. Still nothing here. And why could that be? Could it be that it didn't work? She replied, right? So and there's no return statements here. There should have been. Oh, if it worked, it would have permalogged too, right? So in permalog txt, there's the golf balls. But it didn't make it to chacklot.json. Something terrible must have happened. It's not like a hidden return statement around here or something. You didn't see. What I can see. Errors. Object of time date time is not JSON serializable. So it was waiting for something to try to do it. That's like my first clue. And then it's like, yo, my friend, you wanted me to dump this date, but dates are not serializable. JSON can only load or dump. Well, JSON can load anything, but JSON can only dump things that are serializable by JSON. And an unformatted timestamp just ain't it. Just ain't it, chief. I could have sworn the JSON tutorial we were following literally had a thing about date time, so I might want to pull that up again if I can find that.
Well, I'm being...
JSON. Oh, JSON. JSON, 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 JSON. Mania, 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 mania. Is this the one? Look, it's JSON. You should use the format emitted by dates to JSON. Is this Python? It is JavaScript, but same difference, right? It's just it's like I just need to do like to string, right? So I just need to hit it with the old ISO.format. And then it should work. And then I still not quite sure why it waits a turn before logging stuff, but let's try it. Hello Faebot, do you want to go on a serializable date with us? Cannot use local variable where it's not associated with a value. Right, because we moved it. We moved it down here. This is what programming is like, at least when I do it. This is probably why I'm kind of a slow programmer, but I've decided that I'm gonna be okay with this in my life. It takes a lot, you know, it's just doing something and trying it, and then if it works, great, and if it doesn't work, keep trying. What are your thoughts on it? iterative nature of software. Oh, my golden wins! Rundle. Hi. And then... what about JSON? JSON? No JSON yet. Permalog. Made it to the permalog. Faebot, say something else. And object of type datetime is not. Fucking do it. I'm gonna fucking T that you're a fucking string, and then you can't like complain anymore. I'm gonna wrap you in a stir method. Oh my god, Faebot, you were interrupted in the middle of batting your eyelashes. Jason is here, Faebot. Once again, nothing being written, and it has to be I don't get it, chat log. I just don't get it. Because I'm not awaiting it, but it is not an async function. It's a sync function. Unless it's doing something asynchronously that I should know about. I wonder if this will work. I think object type JSON. Okay, object type channel is not JSON serializable. Sorry, you're all getting strings. You are supposed to be just response. Learning all about JSON. Have a good lesson, James. JSON. Why? Nani sore? What is happening? Why is part of the window Lamau. Okay, bye-bye. Do the thing that I put the Python debugging tool. Faebot, I'm really having a hard time tracking down JSON. Now, if I go next, so here we go. So here's the message with the parameters. The seed is, I guess the seed can be an int, yeah. Wait, what did Faebot say? Hey, the transfers, I can totally help with the J, just use loads of white space to make it more readable like so. JSON, professions, Lispoint, drivers, Gen Andreas, type here, switch, play, once down, 6 selects. Now you ask, literal like. Okay, Faebot. Thank you for that. Channels, you can see, doesn't need to be so long. Message content is okay. Isn't JSON dumps? Isn't there something about JSON dumps and like? Data, and then so that's supposed to be good. It's one heck of a song. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. JSON dumps and 4 down here. Pick up the stuff to log. Oh, it's so much better. Everything's blue. Get rid of flip. Get rid of this. Unless I get rid of it, it's gonna fail. Easy to read. And it says log into JSON, timestamp, Faebot. And then if we go to, oh, and it's even pretty formatted for me. Look at that. Interesting. Super fucking interesting. Let's empty this out. Let's have Faebot send a couple messages. Faebot. Another. Right? It just kind of like flops it right there. It doesn't even put a comma in or anything. And that is not what we want. With all these fake characters that we also don't want. But that's okay. I knew that that was going to be a thing. Possible solutions is to make one big JSON thing that's like loaded to memory, and then we just write the whole thing every time. Yo, Nieves, what's up? That's me. I am the streamer. I am streaming. From my eyeballs to yours. So I'm just taking a little stretch break, you know, make sure I'm stretching, making sure I'm hydrating. Are you hydrating, chat? Hydrating is so good. Fucking love hydration. Never in a million years. So you literally just add a comma. So right now it's invalid JSON. We put a comma, it's still not valid JSON. We put a couple more brackets, and now it's valid JSON. It's not valid JSON. End of file expected. Well, let me just do something. Let me just do a little something. Let me just do a little something here. Let me try something out. Let me get rid of all of this. And instead of JSON log just appending to JSON, what we're gonna do with JSON log is that we're gonna first, we're gonna open it with read write, which I hope I can do. And then JSON memory equals JSON dot loads JSON log dot read, and then we're gonna write hold on. This is it. What kind of methods do I get with this? Nothing. What does JSON.load do? That JSON.load. Oh, you just put the whole file there. Can you open files? Just read write. Yeah, right? That's like really cursed. And like, so what I'm pursuing now is I'm gonna try, because anyways, I'm gonna have to be like accessing this memory during runtime, and eventually it'll be a Postgres database, and then a lot of that complexity can be handled by Postgres, but I kind of like building my way up to it by using this JSON stuff. The thing what I want to do is I want to like just have a memory that gets loaded that gets loaded and rewritten, and that would be like computationally would get really expensive eventually, but I think it would be okay for now, at least for testing purposes. So that's what I'm kind of what I'm trying to do right now, and I'm trying to wrap my head around the logic of loading, writing, dumping, but I can just write JSON log, and then if this makes a JSON object, can I do stuff to it? Does it have any methods? Can you append to a JSON object? It's just a dictionary. It's just a dictionary, so I just need a top level thing. It's a dictionary, so that it needs to be structured as a dictionary with keys. Keys. So yeah, I could be a list of dicts, and you could just do ID sequentially. You could just you could literally generate a UUID. Basically, dictionary. Need to organize this code better. List of dicts. I keep a list of dicts on my phone. I was gonna make a really crude joke, but I couldn't quite tie it in. Here's where I'm doing this. I'm generating this new message object. What I can do is, when I go to log it, I can create a dictionary. The dictionary should be, say something like memory, and memory is a dictionary where it has I'm gonna use timestamps. We're gonna use stir date time dot now. That's gonna be our key. And then here, we're going to put our log message. So this has given us a big dictionary. And then we just do this. Let's just try it. Let's just see what happens if we do this. This should replace the message each time, but that's okay. Just a test. Okay, let's say something to my friend Jason. Hey there, Jason. Wink, wink. And it seems Jason didn't add your message very well. Nothing here. Unhashable type. Okay. So I guess it's because So what's happening is, because this is an async TO create task, basically like the task, if there's an error, the task just gets locked up. You don't get to see it. Unless I should have kept the logging here. And the complaint was that dict is unhashable. Line 145. That's it. If I just do this. That's gonna make a string. My God, I need to start using dummy data for this. Okay, let's make this a little faster now. Kohi, 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 Kohi. There should be. Is it really as simple as that? That might be actually. That would make a lot of sense. Yeah, because I'm basically taking a dictionary and trying to make a dictionary that contains a dictionary with no keys. Nice spot, word bug. So I am aware that I am putting a dates time twice now. I'm curious to see the ways in which it's different. And then params. I like this song. I like Fantasy's final. And so all we do here is just log it. Just log a message. Where am I doing dump? This isn't necessary. Look, first we dump the thing we want into a thing, and honestly, tell me what that looks like. It's a string, right? And then JSON memory equals memory. And it has a date time and a log. It writes it to the log. All right. And as we see, what am I seeing here? Nothing, because this is technically correct, but if I'm doing this, did I need to dump it? I didn't need to dump it. I'm gonna have to dump it eventually. Like, log message is a dict, right? So if it's a dict, I should just be able to pop it in. And then, can I write it? I must be sure not dict. But if it's a dict, what's the point of dumping it? Like, so dump as serialized object to a JSON formatted string, right? Dump regular serialized object as a JSON formatted stream to FP, a write supporting file like object. Ah, so possibly this is what we should have been doing all along. Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna skim through this. tutorial again. Okay, you have a dict. And you can just dump data directly into the file. So what I could do is do JSON.dump JSON memory, and then equals 4. Hold on, what did I just see? Data file. All right, so it's here. Every time we run it, it changes, right? So that's a start. And it's called memory, and it has a timestamp, and each timestamp will have a message associated with it, with also a timestamp, which, as you can see, are slightly different. 3, 4. This one actually happens after this one. It is funny. Can you have lists in JSON? I don't think you can. Actually, it looks like we can. So, does that look? Yay! So probably instead of making like a weird key, we can just do memory and then have that be a list. It only contains the message we just sent. No way this works off the bat. Totally works off the bat. My friends, we are in business. I have no idea what that voice is supposed to be. I guess that's how JSON talks. JSON is from sort of unspecified place. But he's very friendly. I love hanging out with Jason. Just gotta be careful. Jason is one of these people who you have to say things exactly right. If you say things in an order he doesn't expect, or if you don't use the necessary pauses, he's just like, I don't want to deal with it. Don't want to deal with it. This is part of where his issues with loading and dumping come in. When it comes to customer service, my friend Yamo likes to claim that he's better than Jason at doing that kind of stuff, but I don't think Yamo dumps or loads. I almost said dumps or jumps. Okay. So, if now what we want to do is we want to open the file first, and then do JSON memory equals JSON.load JSON file. And we do we're not calling it memory anymore. We're calling it messages. Boy. And then we're gonna say messages equals JSON memory. Messages. And we're gonna do messages.append. Doesn't know that it's a list. I'm gonna tell it it's supposed to be a list. And then we append log message, right? And then instead of putting it here, what we do is messages equals messages, and then we write. Expecting value. Okay, hold on. This might be because the file is empty. So Hack is making the file. Yeah, I figured it would error an empty file. Because loading requires that there be something there, probably what I want to do is like an if empty do this type of thing scenario. So, alright, let me try this first real quick. Wow, there's already 2 messages here. I must have tried to write something the first time. So now every time I run it, it should work. All right, this is perfect. So now, if I put this on the file, and I get it to run from scratch, list indices must be sliced. Yeah. So if is instant list, if you get a list of messages, you want to append it. Else our file is empty-ish. I didn't like it. So what's in JSON memory when you do this? No, I think I'd rather... I feel like okay, I went too far. Yo, what happened? What I need is Python that if file exists and this is. I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna go ahead and trust that my file will be empty when I need it. So if OS, oh my god. OS.path exists. JSON. And then OS path get size greater than 0. And what is happening? It seems to be the problem. Go away. If it exists, then you load it into memory. Else, you say JSON memory equals and you just define it, right? And so now you just put log message in there, and so now we can say messages is a list of all JSON messages, and then we can say we can append newest message, and then we can once again redefine JSON memory to, we could even do it like this, right? JSON memory messages equals messages. Very important. Now we start with an empty file, and if I run it, error! Yay! I forgot the file. Tick object has no attribute append. And here it is. And somehow it got 2 the first time. Put it in. Oh. No. Why are there two? Say I get rid of chatlog.json entirely, and then I run the command, and it creates chatlog.json. It starts with two messages because I must have done something wrong. Messages. Oh. Right, because I created it and then I appended a message. So it should just create one that's empty, and then it should load the empty one, and then it should put the new one in. And this is incredibly inelegant, and I hate it. But this is what we have. And it successfully allows me both to make as many writes as I want, and then it'll probably only get slow after several thousand. More worried about the memory every time I load those JSON objects in, and all I gotta say about that is that we'll fix it eventually. So now that I got it to work using this demo case, now it's time to go get the real thing to work. I like that face. So probably go on the real one, and we can say and get rid of all this bullcrap and empty this, and then I can be like, yo, my friend. In JSON log, what you're gonna do is I'm gonna check for that file. If that file exists, you're gonna load it, and if that file doesn't exist, you're gonna initialize it, and then you're gonna load it. And then you're gonna get all the messages from that list, and you're gonna put a new message in, and the new message will come to you as a log message, which is already a dict. String read chat log from JSON, and actually we're gonna do something stupid. We're gonna get rid of this check for now, and we're just gonna open and load it, and we're actually going to do, we're not even gonna load it here necessarily. We're gonna load it here just in case, at least for now. Here I am messing with stuff before we've even tested it. So hold on. Alright, let's keep this here. It's round Faebot now. What happened to my Okay. Hi Faebot. I think Jason is ready to listen to your messages. Say something for Jason. I am a super genius. So now we have a JSON memory, and so we can go ahead and check this, import JSON. We added that. Here's the JSON log. Here's stuff about how we're logging the message differently. That's cute. Let's go ahead and commit this. Eventual consistency? I don't know her. And we're gonna put in our notes. That on 3/26/2024 we implemented JSON log. It's time to game. It's not literally time to game. It's time to keep working instead. So now we have a thing that generates these log messages. The other thing I would like to do then is at the start of Faebot, we're going to initiate maybe I should call it Faebot messages instead of just messaging. That might make it easier to parse. Yeah. Hello everybody. Something I didn't mention at the start of the stream that's very exciting is that we have another creature visiting us right now from faraway lands, and we are gonna go do creature shit. So I think this, but honestly, perfect stopping point, because we accomplished what we needed to accomplish, which was we've completely, like, me and Jason are tight now. We're like buddies. I know everything about him. I know everything about his business. I know about his struggles. You know, the pandemic was really hard on Jason. He was able to get on the, like, that small business owner loan program. And thankfully, you know, the loading and dumping business, it's, you know, it's recession proof. People are always throwing stuff away. Not necessarily always moving. But that's the good thing about Jason being able to load and dump. And now that I've thoroughly round that joke to the ground, we're gonna be wrapping up the stream. Thank you so much, everyone who showed up. You truly are the people who make this stream possible. We love and appreciate each and every one of you. We hope you have a wonderful Tuesday, and let me see if there is someone I can send you to. Someone we can rate. Tales of Symphonia. I'm gonna send you over to Shoujo, maybe? What is she playing? She's playing some Mario, some ROM hacked Mario. Hacking. But yeah, thank you so much, everyone. We will see you at the latest on Friday for a video game stream. And we will see you next Tuesday for another coding stream. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.